Hello students, good evening dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now students, today we are doing the practical of chapter second, that is scratch. Even the last week I'm sending you the theoretical part of this chapter, that is scratch. So today we are doing the practical of scratch. So dear students, now you watch here how we are using the scratch software. Dear students, I'm clicking here on the start button, or we just go to the scratch software. Even I have an icon on my desktop also, the scratch software. So I'm just clicking on the icon of the scratch software, that is the here. Now dear students, you are watching here, this is the scratch software window. This is the window of the scratch software. So here, as have you seen, this this is the sprite, dear students. As I'm rotating the pointer at here, so this is called the sprite. This character is called the sprite. This cat, as you seen, this is a cat. So but this is not a cat, this is a sprite. Okay, this is by default sprite. And this area where we just draw the sprite, this area is called the stage area. This is the stage area. This is the stage, and this character is called the sprite. It is a by default sprite. Even we can change it, we can hide it, we can change it, we can take new one. We cannot change it, but we can take new one, and we can hide this one also. So this is the by default sprite, and this area is called the stage area. This is called the stage. Now dear students, here this is scratch, and these are the menus: file menu, edit menu, share, and help. Okay, and these are the tools. Okay, these tools which help us to just create or move our sprite. Okay, motion, looks, sound, pen, control, sensing, operators, variable. These are the tools that is available on this software. When we are using the when we are creating the sprite, then we are using these. Okay, this is the by default sprite. Now here students, one time this is a paint new sprite. We can paint a new sprite, although this is a default sprite, and this is a default sprite here, but we can create paint a new sprite. We can create by its own. Okay, second one, choose new sprite from the file. Okay, third one, that is get surprise. Okay, one by one I'm telling you, these are the this is called the paint new sprite. I'm again telling you, paint new sprite means when we click at here, then we can paint a new one sprite according our own choice. Second one is the choose new sprite from file, means already sprite are there. We can choose according our own choice any one sprite. And third one is the get surprise sprite. Get surprise means uh, surprisingly anyone, randomly anyone sprite just appear in this on this stage. And dear students, these are the control, these are the movement button, or these are the control button for this sprite. By these buttons, by these tools, we can just control this sprite. First, that is duplicate. Okay, when I'm just clicking at here, then as you have seen, one duplicate sprite is just appear. Okay, second one, when I'm clicking at here, then delete. It means when I'm clicking at here, then this I'm clicking at here, now it is deleted. Okay, now third one is the grow sprite. Grow sprite means that is used to increase the size of the sprite. Now you watch here, when I'm clicking here, then the size of this sprite is now going to increase. Okay, uh, watch carefully. Now the size of the sprite is just going to increase, and this is the shrink sprite. Means if we just choose click at here, then now it is selected or it is activated. Now when I'm clicking on the sprite, now its size going to decrease. Okay, as you have you seen, now its size is going to decrease. Okay, so these are the control buttons that is used to control the this sprite. So now dear students, here just I'm clicking here, paint new sprite. Okay, now paint new sprite means here, these are the tools which we used just to paint a new sprite. Okay, so here we have the tools. Even suppose I just want to click at here, now I'm choosing this color. It is my own choice, whatever I want. Okay, suppose I choose black color. Now green color I just want to, but I want to, this should be clear. I just take new one. Suppose I take this color. Now here, now according my own choice, I'm just creating anything I just try to create. Okay, it is own choice key, whatever you want to create. This one I just want to create. This one I just want to create. Okay, so suppose, okay, anyone according your own choice, you can create anything. Okay, so here I'm trying to just draw anything. Even I know okay, you are a very good uh, that is in drawing, that is in your drawing. I'm not very good in my drawing. So here now I'm clicking, but just I'm showing you. Now, dear students, here we have the button key. We can increase or even decrease the size of this. Here now I'm increasing the size of this sprite. Now I just want to shrink, then size is decrease. Movement is also there. Okay, so here now I click on OK. Now, dear students, as you watch, now the whatever the sprite we have painted, this sprite is just now appear on our stage. Okay, now it is appear on this stage. Now, dear students, this time now this sprite is activated. When you click on the sprite one, now this is activated. Okay, but when I'm clicking on sprite 2, now this is activated. Okay, as have you seen now here, when I'm just clicking on sprite 1, then here you are watching, okay, here just sprite 1, it means the sprite 1 is activated now. When I'm clicking at here, now here it changed, now the sprite 2. Okay, so here just written, students, dear students, here is right written key, this is the x-axis and y-axis of our sprite. X-axis and y-axis, x-axis and y-axis, these are the direction of the sprite. Means key on which direction my this sprite number second, that is appear. X-axis that is 156 and y-axis that is 114 degree. Okay, so here when I move this, now the location of this sprite, now the direction of this sprite now changed, x 193 by 83. Okay, now I'm changed this. Now you have watched x 1 minus 141 and y that is minus 53. So dear students, by this way you can just control this sprite. Okay, second one is, second option here I'm showing you. Now here, these are the default, these are the ready-made, this is the, this you can say ki, this is a library of the scratch. Okay, suppose I'm clicking at this one. Okay, now you're watching here, these are the sprite that is ready-made, that is already, or that is appear, that is a library. Okay, I'm choosing anyone. Suppose I'm clicking on this butterfly, and okay, then butterfly is just appear here. Now we have the three sprite are there. Sprite 1 that is default. Sprite 2 that we have created, we have by its own way by painting, and third one that is sprite 3 that we have chosen from the library. Okay, so dear students, I think for today, that's all. You do practice of this rest of the part ki whatever we have done, how we just now are telling you ki how we save this. And after that, motions and looks, sound, pen, other rest of the tools we are using by next week. So for today, that's all. And you do practice. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now I'm telling you here ki how we save. I'm clicking on save option. Now my file is just saved. Suppose I'm giving the name, suppose sprite sprite 2, 3. Suppose I'm giving. Okay. So now by default it is saved. Even I'm again showing you, click on file, save, already saved. Now I just save as, because it is already saved. So I just rename this sprite. So save as option is choose sprite 23. Now I'm writing here, suppose uh, I'm writing here 7th class. Okay. Now at which location? So I'm choosing desktop. Okay. So in the desktop here, it is your choice. So here I'm just, okay. So now my sprite is just saved on the desktop. So dear students, why this way you can create it's by your own sprite. So for today, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.